What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm She's Pretty Red. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review and install on this unit. The company name is Junoda Hair, you guys. I am going to be doing a review on their 22-inch V-part wig. So I'm just showing you guys all the things that came with the wig. This right here is a hair care instructions, tell you the do's and don'ts to do with your unit, as well as a wig cap. They also sent over an edge brush, as well as lashes and a head scarf. So I just showed y'all the products that came with the unit. So right now I'm going to be showing you all the wig as well. So this is their V-part water wave wig, which is 22 inches, like I told you guys in the beginning. So right off the bat, y'all, I am loving the curl patterning and I am loving the texture. It wasn't as full as I thought it should have been, but you guys, brushing this wig out made it look so much fuller than what it really is, if that makes sense. I didn't have to put any type of products on this wig. So yeah, and you guys will see that in the install part of this video. So this unit does have 5 combs at the top where you can clip it in. It does has an elastic band and adjustable straps as well. That's just mainly what I'm doing. I actually did a side part. I do wish that it did have clips on the sides as well as the back, because it would have been more easier for me to hold the wig down, but it did not. So your girl had to work with what I had. So this is my first time having a V-part wig, you guys, if you can tell. So it did take a little bit more finessing to actually get it to what I wanted it to be. So basically, I'm just starting by just taking some of my Lusty Edge Gel, you guys, just putting it on my edges and a little bit on my hair as well. And I'm just going to be brushing my hair back. So I wanted to talk to you guys today about the Jada Pickett situation. I bet you guys didn't even know that I actually cut my hair. It was not due to alopecia, but you guys, I did end up cutting my hair off because I have a lipoma on my left side of my head, y'all. As you guys can see, obviously I was trying to finesse my hair, you know, get it to slick down, because like I said, I cut my hair. So yeah, how do you guys feel about what happened at the Oscars, y'all? It was crazy. I feel like I'm with Will. Like, I want my man to handle whatever, you know what I'm saying, the case may be. But I do think it stole away from his moment. pickets. Yeah, y'all, I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what happened at the Oscars. Let you guys know that I actually cut my hair. Your girl I'm bald head too, and I literally shaved my hair. I'm gonna put a pic right here so you guys can see. Yeah, so alopecia is something serious. I don't think people should be laughing or making fun of anybody, okay? Because as women, our hair is our crown, okay? So, but thank God we do have wigs that we can cover our hair with, you know, to the skies. Because I bet you guys would have never guessed that your girl cut her hair. But it's okay. It'll grow back. I'm pretty sure I'm going to shave it off again because I do have to go to dermatologist, and obviously I'm going to cut it off and all that good stuff. So I think I'm going to just, I mean, I could just shave that spot. But yeah, I think I might just shave my whole head again. But y'all, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about what happened. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this hair, you guys. I definitely had to do some finessing, especially with my part or whatever, but I think I did pretty good. I do like the hair. It's definitely soft. I did fluff it out a little bit with my paddle brush to give me a little bit more fullness because it wasn't as full as I wanted it. And my forehead is not even big, y'all, and it was giving big forehead, okay? And I'm like, I don't got no big forehead. But anyway, I do like the hair, you guys. Like I said, comment below and let me know what you guys think about the hair. Let me know what you guys think about the Oscars. You guys, I'm pretty sure everybody saw it by now. But anyway, I love y'all. I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to leave all of their information in my description so you guys can be sure to check them out and use my discount code to get money off. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.